Hi, welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. As you can see, we are in my storage unit. Actually, it's not really a storage unit. It's the third car garage part of my garage. And this basically just takes care of my seasonal decor. There's some other little things here and there, but usually this is, you know, fall, Halloween, Christmas, Easter, Valentine's Day, 4th of July. That's about it. I have a little bit of St. Patrick's, but just if it happens to fall, you know, just a little bit. Anyhow, so this is my storage, and it is from bottom to ceiling, as you see, full of all this great decor. Let me turn you around and let me actually show it to you. So as you see, this is all, majority of this is Christmas, outdoor and indoor. So we have all the different types of trees, outdoor stuff, indoor, different themes. All of this is not used every year. I have different, you know, kind of themed, you know, Candyland and that kind of stuff that isn't used every year. Whites and blues, you know, kind of the Arctic type of look. And then there's Easter all up in there. I love to hang wreaths. That's one of my tricks, is to go ahead and just hang a wreath instead of storing them in a bag. So Easter, some lemon decor that I use in the summertime. This is fall outside stuff, or fall that I hadn't used, and any kind of Halloween that didn't get used because I just decorated for Halloween. But spring, you know, and all of this fun stuff. And then up here is all the outdoor and the lights and trees and, you know, just fun stuff. And then on off times, like if I'm not during the winter and I store, you know, like foliage and that kind of stuff in here. Some of the signs, tables if I need them, doormats, the doormat, you know, like the go underneath them. Here's, you know, Valentine's Day. There's a couple little storage things, some things that are going up to the cabin, and then extra bins. So this is a great space for me. I actually, let me see if you can see up. There is actually trees up above over over the garage door that goes down. So yeah, I have utilized this room to its full capacity. But there was still some more that I was like, where can I put it? And I have a solution. And it happens to be this sweet little thing. So this right here is the Fleximount. It is mounted to the ceiling, up off the floor. I do have some space over here, especially when the kids get like their keepsake stuff when they were a kid, and extra stuff up there. But I really like this because it is up off the floor. We have other, you know, things that were, you know, like decor that's not being used or baby stuff. And it just gets it out of the way of all the other stuff. This is a lot of my florals. This is the walkway into the storage area. Paints, extra freezer, fridge. But it just is so incredibly nice to have this up over the up on the ceiling. It was, you know, fairly easy to install, and it's sturdy. It, you know what I mean, it's built, you know, to have heavy stuff, heavy bins and stuff. But it's nice because this is my mother's car and here's my car, and it just fits in. We've got plenty of space to walk. And then you've got that. I walk under it just fine. If you're really tall, you might have to bend over a little bit. But, you know, in your garage, you could shift it over. You could do so many things in here. But it really has been a godsend. And it's kind of, I'm going to show you how they put it together and how they put it up. But for this Prime Day, 2-day event, I think I highly recommend, and I think it's a great product. And then to get a great price, I think it's amazing. So I'll insert here them putting it together to show you how easy it was. Gonna do it. I hope this quick little video was helpful. You can see it works out so nice. It is such an out of space, out of sight type of area, and you can use it if you've got like a 2-car garage like my daughter does. This would be great for that kind of scenario where you don't have a whole lot of storage on the ground, but you could use it vertical. Absolutely a great, and for the price, I think it is absolutely fabulous. So if you're in need of some kind of storage solution like this, I highly recommend, and I hope you will use the codes for to get some Prime Day sales. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.